Now I will show you how to customize the default file location and default file format. Now we will save this document. If we click save here, automatically it will pop up this option. If we will click browse button, this will open save as dialog box with the default save shown here. This is the default location which is pre-programmed by the Microsoft Word. Here, this is our file location, and also here, as you can see, save as type Word document, which is the current file format, which is I'm using 2013. You can also change the file format. However, this will make you a lot of time to save to macro this one, so I will show you how to customize our default formats and default location. First, we will click cancel, then we will go to options here, options, then save here. Look, this one, default local file location here. This is the pre-programmed location. However, we can customize according to the location that we need. First, we select this browse here. So it's up to you where you put your file. Let's say let's choose desktop. Now I will make a new folder, my file or my Word documents here. Then we will select this one and hit OK. So now this is our file location, my Word documents. And also here, for default file format, we can also modify here. Instead of changing by Word 97 or back to document, so you can choose according to your needs. So as of now, I will choose Word document because some of feature of 2013 is not available, the lower version. However, you can choose your format, either 1997 or 2003 rather document. So now I will choose our default file format and hit OK here. Again, as you can see here, it shows you additional places for saving, even if it may be required. Okay, first I will cancel this one. I will let you know. Save. So this is here. This is the one. So in order to, if you are not using by cloud, because this is the cloud storage, so if you are using only local computer, so you can remove this one. Although this is just only an option, but I will show you how to remove this one. Again, here option, then save. Again, we will modify again our file location, which is we made it before, my Word document here. Okay, and also the same file format, and here I will uncheck this one. This is for cloud, then hit OK. So now if I save this one here, browse, automatically it will go to my default folder, which is here in my desktop, my Word document. Okay, I will click save, and also if you can see here, save save as here. Now you cannot see that drive. Now we will check our file here, my Word document. Look, it's showing here. Again, if I will make another document here, let's say, okay, we'll save. It will click Ctrl S to save. Here, browse again, trial. Look, again, it will give you another file which is save as with the same location here. So this is it. This is how to customize the default file location and the default file format. Thank you and God bless.